guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. This is going to be a quick one. We're just here to draw a winner. Remember, we did a secret giveaway in the Orly video, and we're giving away a fall color pass. There were instructions on how to do so in the description, and we got a few entries, so let's pick somebody. Okay, so we hosted our website here on sweepwidget.com, and we've got this button. I've never used this before, so we're just going to see how it goes. It says draw a winner, so let's see what we get. Aha, our winner, Dorothy Hensley. I'm going to blur out your email, but I am going to send you an email. Thank you for entering 3 times and for answering the question just to make sure that you do live in the US. And look out in your email. My email will have my YouTube name or similarly, or I'll probably just email you from my YouTube email. Anyway, you'll be able to know it's me, and I will get that shipped out to you. You'll have about 3 days to reply to that email. If no reply, then we'll pick someone else. Thank you for watching. Make sure you're here for upcoming videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.